can be a great people, Kal-El. They wish to be. They only lack the light to show the way.
Welcome everyone to the video. Welcome to Goodwill. Looking for items for eBay. That's what we do here. We resell. We're looking for items, buy low, sell high. Looking for cool, unique items. We can, we're in about 20 different categories. So everywhere from toys, collectibles to glassware to home decor stuff. I really like selling home decor. All the way down to like silverware, flatware. So we're gonna be hitting around, hitting different aisles here, checking out. This is a great Goodwill to come to. They usually have great items here, well stocked. All the Goodwills in my area are pretty well stocked. So we're gonna get in there, see what we can find to buy, sell, and hopefully make some money, make some profit too as well. We have a Comic-Con coming to town in about a couple weeks, so we gotta make some money so we can spend money. Let's go. All right, we're starting off here with our usual routine. Music is a little bit loud. My cart's a little bit slow. I feel like it has the brakes on. I check out the glass. The glass will give us a good sense of what to expect, hopefully. Got some temperature sensors for a Google Nest. Nothing really that exciting here. So, based on that, I'm not really super excited about what we may find or what may lie ahead here. Appears to be fairly busy here already. We're here at opening and there's usually a few people just waiting in front, not too many, all the usual resellers, but people start trickling in. That's like an extra large. Look at that. It's an extra large San Francisco Giants. Oh, it's all ripped up. Never mind. I thought that was kind of cool just because it had the extra large logo on it. My little wallet here. What is this? Oh, what's that? I got it. Yeah. This kind of looks interesting. Where's the logo? I think this is Hobo. Hobo. Is it a hobo? Hobo. It's not a elbow. The inside fabric doesn't feel really... the outside leather feels okay. The question is there a price tag on it? $6. We'll look it up. The outside feels good, but the inside is just a little bit... the inside fabric isn't that great. I thought maybe that was one of those seatbelt purses. There's a lot of purses. Jeez, this is abnormally more to guess. This is like, wow. And I've just recently sorted through all my purses and everything. Purses, backpacks, bags, you name it. I was sorting it this week, so... One of my goals, recruiting the kids to assist me before school starts. So, get stuff done around the house. Okay, let's go see if there's any bins over here. We have some lights out here. Yeah, 89, 74. Oh man, here we go. Whoa, big old TV. And Klein. And big old Betsy Johnson. Betsy. $11 on that. Don't feel like dealing with that. San Francisco Giants. Better condition, but actually a 59.50. 7 3/8. Target brand. Oops, a daisy. It's a planner. No, album. Not familiar with it, but it doesn't really feel that great. Alright. Alright, let's fix the camera angle here and let's move on because I don't really see too much in there. I've been intrigued over here. It's like the Mexican coffee. Okay. I kind of quickly moved through the toys. I just got a couple of things right here, so I'm gonna take a look. This is a Thomas the Train. It's like a large scale size one, so we'll take a look. Batteries obviously are going to be a concern. Don't know, but the small ones do really well. And this is from Star Trek. This is not really sure. This is called Ghost, the ship, name of the ship. Oh, look at that, it's missing the front. Okay, we might go back to look for it, but the odds aren't very good that it's actually there. So iRobot, I'll leave that behind. You could potentially piece that out, but I don't feel like doing that. Random old boba drink someone left there, or a bubble tea, I believe people call it as well. I've always known it as a boba since, well, I think it's spreading out to other parts of the country more and more, but it's been in our area for a long time. Old school router, no. I'll tell you what, it's not looking very good right now. So, what, I hear something? Oh man, they're rolling out a whole nother card over there. I might just go take a look, just because I can't really see. I'm not really seeing too much right now, although it looked like a lot of Target stuff. That's an old school fan, wow. Okay, I might be moving kind of faster here just because I want to go. Oh, they're going this way. Let's go check out the Target area. I just kind of heard where they rolled it to. Yeah, there's a lot to go through here. Okay, let's go look. All right, so this is not bad price-wise on these ones. Am I covering the price? Oh, $10.89. Oh, look at this one. Here's a old Hulk Hogan. I mean, the figure isn't necessarily old, but as far as the look. Picked up this guy right here. It's like $5.39, so we'll take a look. It might be worth it. This I'm not, definitely probably not worth it. I'm getting this for my collection, so, but say 24, 25 bucks. They're pretty marked up. There's another large Dreams, Lego Dreams over there, but that's not, it's a set I already have. Not that I'm really interested in Dreams, but I've sold these. I mean, $12, a little bit much. I mean, this stuff might be a lot better, do a lot better on Amazon. That's what I was thinking. eBay, not so much, and it's, you know, it's stuff that's still out and about, so you can still find this retail, and I'd really prefer not to compete with that if I can help it. What is that tag? That's a Rayleigh's? Is it a Rayleigh's tag? I think that might be Rayleigh's. It's a large cow. Don't think so. But let's go this way. Lights are off over here. Okay. What do we have in the mugs? Any Deneen mugs by chance? I just recently picked one up the other day. This is, I got that for the cups you want to look out for, like this, are for Tesla ones. These are not. This is not for Tesla. Everybody's been copying for Tesla, so it's gonna be hard to find genuine for Tesla cups now. These are dessert. I don't know why people keep these because they're like little, but these are actually little desserts that you get from. As you can see, some of the wrapper here. You get that from Costco. Or at least that's where I've seen them. Interesting decanter, but not that interesting. Now we're in the wood section. So I'm moving a little bit slower now through things. It's intriguing. Midnight Cottage Co. Got some gold flake in there. Remember those? Let me change the mic really quick. I feel like I'm right above this. I am right above the speaker. I'm definitely intrigued. And it's worthy of going in the cart. Okay, we can look at the barbecue set right there. And Bath and Body. No, I thought that was Bath and Body Works, but no, it's not. This is pretty old, vintage looking. This is a brand, I believe. I think I'm familiar with this. I'm not 100% sure if I am or not. This looks familiar. This design on top looks familiar to me. Obviously, there's no key. I'll take a look at this a little bit later. I have found some jewelry boxes with that similar design on top. I mean, it could be a generic design that a lot of these older ones used, but I'm gonna take a look. And someone's playing the piano, so baskets. Something with a tail back there. What is this? Oh, it's a cheese grinder, shaver, or cheese shredder. They are bringing stuff out from the back, and it's a lot of former Target retail. As you can see, we're back in the toy aisle. So I may want to jump to the front to see if they're bringing anything they deem higher value up to the glass, such as Star Wars Lego sets. Ooh, look at. I still haven't looked these up yet, but here's another one. This is a different. This is one of them's Thomas, and the other one is somebody else. I don't know. Let's put that in the cart. Oh yeah, we might get a chance to look for that other. Hopefully that other piece. I doubt we'll find that other piece to the Star Trek ship, the Ghost, from the Rebels series on Disney. Usually there's some interesting treasures hidden here. They were playing this out last week, so. Doing a scan, trying this. I pulled the Ghost out from around here. And No. I don't see any sign of it. This is Bumble. Let's build a bear. Okay, throw in the cart. We'll take a look. The island, the Misfit Toy, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, the obscure characters, like not Rudolph or the reindeer, are the ones that seem to do really well, especially when it comes to Hallmark ornaments. The Island of Misfit Toy ones, the unusual ones I've bought and sold. There's something coming out of the back again as well right now. I'm looking that way. Oh crap, there's a whole other bin. Let's go. False alarm, I thought that was a Lego set on top. There goes my cart. See, my cart's gonna roll away here. I have to position it like this, put my foot on it. Probably still roll away with my foot on it, as you can see. I just don't want to block the front of the cart off. Okay, let me see what I can see here. Okay, so as we want to do, and I'll walk you guys up there right now. Let's go to the front. No, there's only one floating around. But we want to get to the front. That's what we want to do. Let's go see. The oops, I have my camera like way crazy here. So the bin proved to be unexciting. Might be more stuff towards the bottom, but a lot of big stuff on top, which needs to be shifted around, which I might do. But let me see if they put anything up here. Oh, there's stuff back there. So the stuff that's going to go up there is back there right now. And there's a Star Wars Lego set. Okay, stand by. So as I thought, there was a Lego set up there. It wasn't a good Lego set. It was the new TIE Fighter. However, it was open. All kinds of, other pieces from other sets were in there. So, we did not pick that up. Well, we're not going to pick it up, I should say. Plus it was $32-ish, so. All right, let's keep moving. My wife just stopped by and dropped off some stuff in the cart, which we'll take a look at in a second, but there's something pretty cool. This is the rooster. Is it? Yeah, it is a rooster. Rooster bag, which we've bought and sold before. It's like a plastic. Bless you.
Thank you.
Not sure who's that, but it is a plastic little rooster. $8 we'll pay for it, but it sells for about 30 bucks, and I have sold that before, and it sells relatively quickly, so let's keep moving. Okay, we finally made it to the miscellaneous glass pottery section. Avon, that's what we have. Hopefully we find some good stuff. Check this out, I just picked this up in here. It's an arm, like a arm for a mic. Yeah, not very exciting. However, Elgato. When it comes to streaming stuff, streaming gear, computer recording devices, Elgato is the name you want to look for. The name demands a premium, even though it's probably just a generic made in China arm. Japan, salt and pepper shakers, kind of large. There's a whole family up here. Look at that. Whole family of them. Not really going to be worth it. Salt and pepper shakers. It's a love-hate relationship with salt and pepper shakers. I like some of them, not all of them. Incredible luster wear. And by incredible, I don't mean cool or amazing. I just mean it's a lot of luster. The melt glass. It's not bad, actually. I mean, as far as the price goes. Anchor Hawking. That's the little emblem down there. The Pottery Barn. I sold a huge collection of clay Pottery Barn coffee cups, mugs, saucers. And there's glitter on it. Origiri. That was unexpected. 2 tags on it. It's interesting. Not necessarily that Origiri is worth it, but kind of a cool little box. Native American style bison. Bison, not buffalo. 2 totally different animals. They do come, well, I shouldn't say totally different because they come from the same family. Bovine, similar to cattle. Which, surprise fact about cattle, cattle are not native to the Americas. They were brought over here. It's a European animal. Alright, well. Oh, and Gary was an interesting find here. Oh, when I picked these up, some Bose headphones. A little chopped up in there, but we'll take a look. Check the ear cups. It's just kind of got like some weird tags with it. This is, I'm going to check these shelves over here. Miscellaneous toys, more bins. These are more bins. There's 3 bins over there, another 2 more over here. So this is more for the more retail stuff. Like a cross between turtles and I might look this one up. These are like the little Mauser. I believe those little robot things are called Mausers, if I remember correctly. We'll look it up. Just I don't know. Some of this stuff's just kind of too good to pass up almost. So there's another Masters of the Universe. Oh, this is a dang. Batman versus Bane. That's cool. $27 though. It's not gonna be worth it. It's too new and probably too mass produced. There's another one of the same one, but the box is busted. I'll put it in the cart, and if it looks good enough, I might take it. So, this. Oh, it's just an FAO Schwartz. Okay, I'm gonna look some stuff up really quick. Okay, so the action figures all go for around $20-ish. This one right here is worth it. It goes for $30. So we're definitely not gonna pick those up. This, I should hold that up a little bit longer because this is what we're gonna pick up. I'm gonna go back and look and see if there's any more. These ones here we'll put back. The Hulk Hogan also too. This is that bag that my wife put in the cart. $15, but it should sell for around $70-ish. These are Crate and Barrel. There's another one in there. So little trivets, especially with Christmas coming up. So, okay, let's keep moving. There's something on the floor there. We're gonna put those back. I still need to check. As a matter of fact, you know what? While I'm here, let's pull this out really quick. And let's make sure that is in there. And that does appear to all be there. Definitely want to make sure no one replaced it. Make sure it has the Elgato sign on it. Luckily we have this right here. tell us what belongs. All right. Okay. Well, let's just look at this picture and hopefully we can decide what goes with what. Appears to have the riser. It has this part, the main arm. This is kind of like a cable organizer thing, and then the parts look like that. So it's definitely all there. And for $11, we'll take that. It was probably at least $100 retail for this, and it appears to have never been used. Okay, let's keep moving. And you'll see in the recap what it excuse me, what it goes for. Okay, I went back for a second look at one of the Target carts. I went ahead and looked these up. They go for like $20 each, so at $3.29. They're small, tiny. We're gonna make some good money on those. I grabbed all the ones that were there. I might go back and look at the other carts. Oops, and I grabbed some deodorant as well too, because you always need deodorant. I need to look these up really quick, and I'm gonna look those up now. Oh man, have the carts grown? Are there more? Wow. Holy. Looks like an old hat. USA Rodeo Team. $6. I don't like the price. Maybe it was $4. Sharp Pine. Funko. Fun School. I don't really want to put anything on top of that TV. What bike seat? Probably just a generic one from Target. Got a little, this little sling bag. All right. Flip the camera around. Yet. Now it's recording. There's a lot going on here. Advent calendar. That's pretty cool. We'll take that, I guess. All right. Got shoes down here. Weird angle, huh? Weird angle. Okay, but. Oh. Something just fell. Let's go and move on out of here. As you guys can see, a lot of stuff. Lots and lots of stuff to go through. I'm definitely gonna make another pass around. I think we're pretty much good. I've already made 2 or 3 passes at this point. I want to go look at the glass one more time to see if they brought anything out that's going to go up there. Looking at some van shoes. Definitely want to, yeah, 11 Vans, generic Vans. $20 or so is what we're looking at, so we can't pay $11. Yeah, stay tuned for the recap. I'll pop up, prices and what I think I can get for stuff at the end here, but yeah, let's get on out of here.